Yeah. Yeah.
So we there's a couple more topics I want to maybe, so that we can look at it from one other context. We kind of alluded to medical. I think medical is an interesting example of feel-good possibilities of AI. Can you kind of expand on what you know about what technologies might or are evolving or might evolve in the medical field that will create positive impact for society?
Yeah. I think partly, again, going back to the fact that there's a number of subdisciplines in artificial intelligence, including sort of robotic disciplines, that healthcare at the moment, in particular from the concept of diagnosis, is being rapidly sped up in terms of not only the ability to diagnose, but also to be able to pull on a global pool of data, and particularly in areas like cancer research and other areas where people can basically, based on your pathology plugged into a system, can produce not necessarily will the cancer come back or not, but at least an indicator, which then can sort of lead people to make different choices about their health and wellness moving forward.
Well, I think if we go back to the big data factor, I think one of the things that artificial intelligence can do is can link cross-link a bunch of different data points that might an individual might lose if you're going to multiple physicians. I think somebody once told me that I don't know if it was Facebook, but one of the social medias they have artificial intelligence that can identify faster than you, whether you or any professional, whether you have depression or not, just by the posts you do or what you look at, or how long you were. So, whether you're suicidal. Incredible. And whether,
And certainly in Australia, since we're, sunny Queensland, high incidence of skin cancer, image recognition, the ability to sort of essentially
to be able to take your smartphone and just take a picture of it and it says, hey, it's this and that. And and in the operating theatres where human surgeons will be augmented by artificial intelligence, for micro incisions and for very dangerous
or other words. It sounds crazy, but it's really starting to assist, and then combined with some of those other sort of at times seem reasonably controversial about genetic sort of coding and CRISPR and those concepts, meaning that sometimes it can say, well, maybe we can sort of solve this problem completely.